Good morning. On the occasion of National Science Day, I am presenting about great scientist Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Sir C.V. Raman को शश्यत नमन। Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was born on 7th November 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Father Shri Chandrasekhar Iyer was a professor of physics and mathematics, and his mother name was Parvati Ammal. Now schooling, Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was very brilliant. He completed the matriculation at the age of 12 years. College and university education. In 1902, Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman admitted to Presidency College, Madras, now Chennai. In 1904, he did BA degree in the mathematics and he obtained first class MA degree in 1907 with a special qualification in physics from the University of Madras. About career, he also appeared first in the competition examination of the Finance Department of the Government of India, and in June 1907, he moved to Calcutta, becoming Assistant Accountant General. But one day, when he was returning from office, he saw a signboard which read Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. Then he went there and after that got the opportunity to experiment in the council's laboratory. Because Raman's interest in science field research, he became professor of physics at Calcutta University in 1917. In university, he studied the movement of light in objects in a few years. In these, the complete set of rays does not move at all. Some parts of it gets scattered by changing its path. Raman named it the scattering of light. In 1921, he went to Oxford as a delegate to the Congress of University. When Raman were returning home from the ship, he saw its unique blue color of the waters of the Mediterranean Sea. On reaching the University of Calcutta, he started a regular study of the scattering of light in various substances. Through this, after about 7 years, he reached his discovery, which is known as Raman effect. What is Raman effect? He used a quartz spectrograph. After repeating experiment on more than 60 different fluids to ensure that all the fluids represented the Raman spectrum, changing the fluid only changes the color of the spectral line transmitted from it. The quantitative results of which were published in the Indian Journal of Physics on March 31st, 1928. What is Raman effect? According to Raman effect, when a monochromatic light passes through liquid and solid, the light of some other characters of very low intensity is also visible along with the incident light. The Raman effect is also important for understanding the internal structure of chemical compounds. This effect is unique and important discovery for scientists. Awards. C.V. Raman was nominated as a Fellow of the Royal Society of Research in London. In 1930, the Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to C.V. Raman for his discovery of the Raman effect. On 20th February 1928, C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect, in whose memory this day is celebrated every year in India as National Science Day. On the occasion of National Science Day, programs promoting science activities are organized in different regions of India. This is a photograph of Raman Research Institute. In 1948, Raman founded the Raman Research Institute in Bangalore. In 1954, C.V. Raman was conferred with the title Bharat Ratna by the Government of India and also awarded the Lenin Peace Prize in 1957. In 21 November 1970, at the age of 82 years, Raman departed from this world. Thank you.